Hi guys. Welcome to my channel. Today I'll show you how to make a delicious traditional Vietnamese dish, Pho Bo soup. Pho Bo soup originated in northern Vietnam in the early 20th century. It was originally a street dish that later spread throughout the country and the world. Initially, the soup was a worker's dish. Over time, the soup became a symbol of Vietnamese cuisine and began to be sold not only on the streets, on the pole of street vendors, but also in restaurants. Thanks to the emigration of Vietnamese, Pho Bo soup became widespread and famous throughout the world, including Europe, the United States and Canada. Let me know in the comments if you've tried Pho Bo soup before and if you like it. Cut the ginger root lengthwise. If you have a large root, cut it into 3 to 4 slices. Cut 1 large onion into 3 pieces. Peel off the skin. Place ginger, onion, and spices in a frying pan. We'll need cinnamon, star anise, and cloves. Fry until golden brown. Do you know that you can add chicken or fish instead of beef? Add beef, garlic, spices, onion, ginger, and a tablespoon of sugar to the chicken broth. Mix everything thoroughly. Cook over high heat until it boils. Once boiling, reduce heat to low and simmer until the beef is cooked through. Pho Bo is served with a hot and sour sauce. Cut the chili pepper into rings, seeds included. This will make the sauce even hotter. Chop the garlic. Add rice vinegar so that the chili and garlic are completely covered. Add 1 tablespoon of fish sauce. Let's prepare the greens. We'll need green onions, mint, basil, and cilantro. Chop the greens, not too finely. If desired, you can also add soybean sprouts. The broth is almost ready. Add 100 grams of fish sauce to the strained broth and simmer for another 20 minutes. If you find the flavor lacking, you can add salt, sugar, or a little more fish broth. We need to cook more rice noodles. Let's finally assemble our wonderful soup. Add the rice noodles one by one, then add the beef and greens. There should be a lot of greens. Pour the broth over all the ingredients. While cooking, squeeze a wedge of lime and don't forget the hot sauce. If you want a little spice, add a little at a time to avoid overdoing it. It's a shame the camera doesn't capture the aromas. I highly recommend making this soup as soon as possible and enjoying the true Vietnamese flavor. Thank you for watching my video to the end. I hope it was useful for you. Please support my channel. Subscribe to stay up to date with more delicious and varied recipes.